Today, New York City officials are meeting to discuss the deadly coronavirus outbreak in China. So far, no local cases have been found, but as cases and concern mount, the city wants to stay ready and be prepared. CBSN New York's Nick Caloway is in downtown Brooklyn with more. How are people preparing there, Nick?
Natalie, this morning the mayor is holding a tabletop exercise to discuss the emergency response plan just in case that virus lands here. China has expanded its lockdown to contain the spread of coronavirus, which originated in the Chinese city of Wuhan. The lockdown encompassing at least 10 cities with a total of about 33 million people affected. So far, the respiratory virus has sickened at least 800 people and killed 26. Most cases are in China, where Lunar New Year events are being canceled. A man in Washington state has been quarantined after testing positive for coronavirus this week. There's a possible case in LA, and a Texas A&M University student may be infected. On Thursday, there was concern the virus had reached New Jersey when a patient at Hackensack University Medical Center was being tested for coronavirus. But late Thursday night, the hospital announcing that patient tested negative. Sarah Henry of the Museum of the City of New York has studied the history of how the area handles epidemics.
The systems of detection and quarantine and containment at the points of entry is really, really important. So in the 19th century, we were talking about the seaport. In the early 20th century, we were talking about Ellis Island. In the 21st century, we're talking about the airports.
JFK has been screening passengers coming in from Wuhan for almost a week. Henry believes if coronavirus were to show up in New York, the city is ready.
New York has a very robust public health system. So emergency protocols, an incredible system of hospitals, both private and public, and an incredible amount of medical knowledge.
Morning, the mayor will be meeting with officials from the Department of Health, Emergency Management, the FDNY, and the NYPD. In downtown Brooklyn, Nick Caloway, CBSN New York.